Dear students, CBSE has already given the deleted topics for the mathematics subject. So from that deleted topics now, which exercises are removed from the syllabus, means which questions you should not study for the coming exam, coming board exam. 2000, it will be in 2021. So students, please take a pen and diary and please note down that from chapter 1 exercise 1.3 and exercise 1.4 is removed. So you no need to study the questions from the exercises 1.3 and 1.4. Then from the miscellaneous, question number 1, 2, 3, 6, 7 and 14. These questions are not there for the syllabus, means like these questions no need to study for the exams. Okay. Then from chapter number 2, inverse trigonometric functions, exercise 2.2 is not there. So no need to study that questions. Then miscellaneous, question number 3 to 17. Question number 3 to 17. Okay. Then we'll go for the third chapter. From the third chapter, exercise 3.4 is not there, means no need to study 3.4. Okay. Then chapter number 4, exercise 4.2, and from exercise 4.6, question number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. So these questions are not there. From the miscellaneous exercise, question number 2, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, means question number 2 and 11 to 15. These questions are not there, means no need to study these questions. See students, first, as I told you already, that you should complete the NCERT solved examples, exercise, and then you will go for the R.D. Sharma and other reference books. Okay. So after completion of this all, only you will start your practice. है ना? Means you will solve the question papers. Okay. So that also I am going to discuss with you how will the pattern will be there for this exam. Now the question paper will be of 80 marks only, but there are now 2 parts. That video is also I am going to upload now. We'll complete this for chapter number 5. Chapter 5, continuity and differentiability. For this chapter, exercise number 5.8 is deleted. And miscellaneous, from miscellaneous exercise, question number 19 is not there. Okay. So now it will help you for the study. है ना? Those students have started with the NCERT exercises. है ना? So it will help you students. Chapter number 6, application of derivatives. From this chapter, exercise number 6.1, 6.4 and miscellaneous, question number 3 and 19 is not there. Okay. Then we'll go for the chapter integrals. From integrals, exercise 7.8 is not there. Exercise 7.8 is not there. Then the supplementary exercise, means what, there are the solved questions are given after the exercise. So that questions are not there, like a miscellaneous solved examples are there. Then miscellaneous exercise, question number 40 is not there. Then for chapter 8, exercise 8.2, no need to study exercise 8.2. From the miscellaneous exercise, question number 12, 18 and 19. These 3 questions are not there. Now from chapter number 9, exercise 9.3, 9.6. From 9.6 only question number 19 is not there. And miscellaneous exercise, question number 3, 5, 17. These questions no need to study for these questions. Then for chapter number 10, supplementary examples are not there. And from miscellaneous exercise, question number 18 is not there. Okay. Then chapter number 11, exercise, from exercise 11.2, question number 10 and 11 is not there. Then from exercise 11.3, question number 12, question number 13A and question number 13E is not there. Okay. Then we'll go for the second last chapter, chapter number 12. From the chapter 12, exercise 12.1, question number 4, 6 and 9 are not there. From exercise 12.2, question number 1, 9 and 10, these questions are not there. And from the miscellaneous exercise, Question number 2 and 3 is not there. Then the last chapter, 13th, probability. From the 13th chapter, exercise 13.4 and 13.5 is not there. From the miscellaneous exercise, question number 5, 6 and 9 is not there. So student, now it is very easy. So this chapter wise means the removed exercise I have now discussed with you. Please make a note of this and start your study, and if any doubt is there, please ask. Okay, thank you.